Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Canvas with your institution email. Enter your password and complete two-factor if prompted. Once done, pause to scan the global navigation bar on the left so you know where Dashboard, Calendar, and Inbox live. Next, open Courses and pick the course shell you'll use. This is where modules, assignments, and grades will live. Make sure to set your profile and notification preferences now so you receive critical alerts without delay. You create a module and name it for the week or topic, then add content items in the order students should progress. Once your module exists, add pages for readings, files for PDFs, assignments with due dates and submission types, and quizzes with time limits. Make sure to configure availability dates and prerequisites if sequencing is required. Also, publish the module and its items when ready so students can see them. Keep drafts hidden until content. You finish by aligning assignments to your gradebook, attaching rubrics, and setting point values. Then post a welcome announcement that links to the first module. Once published, impersonate a student via the student view to confirm navigation, submission flow, and media playback. If students report issues, first clear your browser cache and try another browser. Make sure modules, items, and availability dates are published and not set to future. If problems persist, contact your LMS admin with screenshots and steps to reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.